Yeah, favorite part of the show was being with the team, meeting the dealers that we work with on a day-to-day basis.
My favorite part of the show has been meeting a lot of the factory reps that I work with every day.
So this year's Work Truck Week has been amazing. It's been so much fun to connect with our dealers, both new and as existing customers. The most exciting thing for me is just talking to dealers about our new features and enhancements that we've added to our platform over the past couple months.
My favorite part of the show has been all of the upfitters and dealers coming to our booth this year. I think the traffic was amazing and awesome booth. Just seemed to be like a magnet for everybody to come in. So that's been my favorite part of this week.
So aside from seeing all these really awesome trucks and being able to take great pictures for my kids, I think the best part about Work Truck Week for me has been just the validation from all the dealers about all the work we've put into CRM so far and all the great feedback they've gotten that's just going to keep us busy making this great tool to make their jobs easier.
The thing I'm most excited about this last few days is the reception we've gotten about our CRM. Everybody is really excited about how it might fit into their actual processes at the dealership. The response was great, and the traffic at the booth has been fantastic. So we're really excited to be working with all the dealers that are here at Work Truck Week and had a really great time.
Favorite part of Work Truck Week is always the meeting the people, getting back out and making new connections, seeing all the new products, and then developing those relationships that we will work with later as the year develops.
And the thing that I'm most excited about is continuing to grow with these dealers on the CRM that we just rolled out with.
I look forward to growing the relationships of the people that I've met while I've been here throughout the year.
Moving forward, I think our penetration into the upfit side of the business is resonating throughout the industry because we've had a lot of upfitters come into the booth this week, a lot of distributors come into the booth this week. So I think the word's getting around that Work Truck Solutions is trying to take care of the whole commercial ecosystem, and more so than just only dealers and only the chassis OEMs. So it's exciting.
I will say, if you haven't talked to your customer success manager about our new trackable QR codes, please reach out and learn how to use those. It's a great way to get more eyes on your inventory in some creative ways.